In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Outlook in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to personalize your emails or make them easier to read, adjusting the font settings can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, we need to log into your Outlook account. Head over to the Outlook login page provided by Microsoft 365. You can easily find this by doing a quick search for Outlook Login Microsoft 365 in your preferred search engine. Once you arrive at the login page, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This brings you to the next screen where you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Outlook account. This could be your work email or personal, depending on what you use Outlook for. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the Next button. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to any capital letters or special symbols as passwords are case sensitive. After that, click again on Sign In. To ensure your security and the security of your data, you might be asked if you want to stay signed in. This is particularly useful if you're on a private device. Select Yes if you think this will make it easier for you the next time you log in. If you're using a public or shared device, it's safer to select No. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Outlook mail. Now that you're in your mailbox, let's navigate to where you can change the font settings. Begin by going to the Mail section within Outlook. This is generally where you can view all your received emails, drafts, sent items, and more. To personalize your mail, navigate to the Compose and Reply section. This part of the settings menu deals with how your emails will look when you're writing new messages or replying to existing ones. Once you're in the Compose and Reply section, you can go ahead and change the font settings. Look for the option that lets you adjust fonts and click on it. Here you'll be presented with various font styles. You can scroll through and pick the one that best suits your preference. A helpful tip here is to select a font that is legible and professional, especially if you're using Outlook for work purposes. Fonts like Aptos Display might offer a great balance of clarity and style. After selecting your desired font, do not forget to save your changes. You should see a Save button or icon somewhere on the page. Click on it to finalize your font settings. Saving ensures that your new font choice is applied to all outgoing emails from your account. Not only does this step help in preserving your preferences, but it also prevents you from having to redo the process if you accidentally navigate away from the page. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to log into Outlook and change the default font for your emails. Personalizing your emails makes communication more comfortable and can add a personal touch, which could be beneficial whether you're emailing friends or contacting colleagues and clients. Remember, this change only affects outgoing emails. Your font adjustments won't alter how incoming messages are displayed. For incoming emails, the text style and formatting depend on what the original sender used. So keep in mind, if someone is sending out an email with a specific style, that's how it's going to appear when it arrives in your inbox. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. Taking the time to adjust your email settings can enhance your communication experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized Outlook emails.